What are you doing? Are you playing? Chewy, are you causing trouble with your brother? Can I have any privacy in here? Boys? Yes, master. Yes, master. Here, Chewy. You want to lick my... You want to lick my ankle? Chewy! 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 Thanks. That'll save me on drying time. Thank you. You're dismissed. I can't see you. Where'd you go? No! No!